In this video, I'm doing a vignette, so if you're interested in finding out more about this, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled The Summer Kitchen Vignette of 2020. And it's hosted by a wonderful YouTuber, Denise of This and That with Denise Jordan. Now if you're not familiar with Denise's channel, I will have a link to her channel along with the playlist down below in the description. Now, Denise asked that we follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and that information will be down below in the description. All she asked us to do was to use a tray and create a vignette for the summer. She asked that we use some type of herb on the tray and something with words and a decorative plate, saucer, or cup in your vignette. She asked that we do a flower arrangement, be it live or faux flowers, and show your work on the video. Also, she wants you to use the hashtag, which I will scroll across the screen, hashtag Summer Kitchen Vignette 2020. So if you're interested to see what I did for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Now for my floral, I'm using this white vase. I've already put the foam in there, and I've tied my blue and white polka dot ribbon around and put some moss on top. The moss and the foam came from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to use the blue and the green hydrangeas. That is what I'm using for my flowers for this summer and spring and summer. A very simple flower arrangement. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Okay, here's the finished look of my vignette. I think I did a really good job. I put my usuals on. I have my herb flower sitting at the back on the tray from Target. The little herb came from Michael's. The decorative plate came from Walmart. I think it's very pretty. And I got the relax sign from the Dollar Tree. And I have my flower arrangement sitting here. I think it all came out really pretty. I always use this copper tray, and I have my usuals on it. My oil and vinegar device at the back, and my copper salt and pepper shaker. So overall, I think it came out really, really cute. I'm really pleased with this summer vignette.